Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Tate, Tate. The other Mr. Tate is Tait, and he also has his wife working here. So if you may hear the Tate that teaches chemistry, and that means there's three of us. I'm going to take this off because I'm here by myself, and just want to say welcome to Plan High, welcome to new school year. It's crazy. It's very different. Hey, there's stress and anxiety about it, but we're all in it together. And let's just take one step at a time. And as I mentioned, I teach chemistry. I'll have some chemistry honors, chemistry regulars, and one section of chemistry e-learning. So as far as supplies go, I'm hoping to do everything online, so shouldn't be too much in area of supplies to buy. Of course, there's always a need for paper towels. I actually have a sink in my room since it's a chemistry lab. So paper towels, soap, hand sanitizer. I'm certain every teacher's going to ask for those things, right? So you can't buy everybody something. We'll cross that bridge when we get back to brick and mortar. But hopefully, as far as student supplies, you may need, if you can't take notes online in class, then bring in a notebook and take notes in class, and then you can transfer those to online. Hoping to be completely paperless. Although I guess if you're taking notes in class, it's not completely paperless, is it? So yeah, this is going to be a good year. I really believe that. I believe we're going to come out of this chaos and have a really good year. I'm looking forward to seeing students either online or in person. And I don't think the format matters, quite honestly. I think it's more of a connection with the student. And I think we can get that connection whether we're online or in person. And my room is 132, which is what they call the South Hall. So if you're familiar with the school, that might put in perspective where you're heading to when you're heading to my class. And it's interesting. I normally can talk your head off, but this is probably my 12th take on this, and I keep running out of what to say, which is very unusual for me. But it's okay because I'm approaching my 3 minutes, which is the minimum that they asked for. So, yeah, my philosophy is this whole process is this whole process can be a growth process. And you don't have to be a chemist to enjoy chemistry. And let's just be calm, come to each other. If there's friction, that includes you parents, just come and talk to me. And, I'll either handle it or kind of straighten it out, in your mind about what's going on. We'll have some opportunities, right? But let's just contact me. And I'm a pretty darn reasonable guy. That's what I that's what I believe, and that's what I try to do. So hopefully I deliver on that. And doing this video, I just realized I got a real evil eye scientist thing going there. Uh, all right. Well, thank you guys. Thank you, families. Now I'm up to 4 minutes, which is overtime or plenty of time. So, welcome to Plan High. Hope to meet you and your children sooner than later. Thank you.